Continue straight.
హలో ఎక్కడున్నారు అక్క? మేము దారి తప్పాం అక్క.
Hi guys, this is Prem Mahakali. Welcome back to my channel. This is another episode in my vlog section. Enjoy the vlog with me. Bye bye. Hello. Okay. Hi guys, this is Prem Mahakali. Welcome back to my channel. This is another episode in my vlog section. Today, finally, we are going for a very long drive, and the location is not a surprise, but I don't know it actually. He knows it, and he's not letting me know.
Yeah, it's a surprise.
Yeah, enjoy the vlog with me. Bye bye. Actually out because it is my sister's and his wife's birthday, and we are going to celebrate her birthday at a place where it is near to the nature, or it is more pleasant to be, and also to vlog. So yeah. Yes. What are the benefits of this lockdown, bro? Except corona. What do you think?
You think corona is a benefit?
I mean, fine. What are the best things of this lockdown?
First thing is we are focused on our fitness, and second thing is we are trying to avoid eating food outside, and third, we are being together, and we used to celebrate together, and we are celebrating also.
Yeah. So yeah, I am vlogging and Sumiran is not at all concerned about it. Naaku positive ante em ledhu. Nothing. I have started YouTube. I am very inconsistent in it. Nothing.
Very much inconsistent.
Yeah. So subscribe చేసాను.
Hello. Hello.
So,
See, this is how
పనిలో పని.
this is how supportive friends are.
Prem will miss the route because of your vlog, Prem.
I also wanted to ask you the question, but I changed my mind.
A few moments later.
ఎక్కడున్నారు
అక్క మేము దారి తప్పాం అక్క.
లైవ్ లొకేషన్ పెట్టింది కరెక్ట్ పెట్టలేదా మీరు? ఏంటి? లేదు.
हाउ हाय, मेरा नाम शरीफ है, मैं प्रेम भाई का दोस्त हूँ। तो मैं क्या सोचा, तुम लोग वैसे अच्छे से देख खींच रहे वीडियो, तो क्या हुआ प्रेम भाई सही से उस दिन रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं करे, तो मैं क्या सोचा मैं तुम लोग को जो भी हो रहा वो अब भी बता दूँ। क्या होता उस दिन ये लोग जहाँ जाना था वहीं चल जाते, वहाँ दीदी का केक कटिंग वो सब कुछ सेलिब्रेशन ज़्यादा हो जाता, फिर वो लोग घर आ जाते। तो मैं आपको आके कहीं को बोल रहा हूँ, बोलता हूँ प्रेम भाई यहाँ पे सो रहे। तो मैं क्या सोचा आप लोग को एक सीक्रेट सी बात बोली तू। तो क्या है जो मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ ना वो भी ध्यान से सुनो, पास आओ नहीं तो फिर जग जाते तो मेरे को डांट पड़ता। तो क्या है अभी एक अच्छे से अच्छे हीरो की एंट्री होती, देखो और मजे करो।
So guys, we are done for the day. We are heading back home, and we have done a lot of celebration, and yeah, we are heading back home. So bye. We'll meet you in the next vlog. Please do subscribe. Do like if you like this video. And until then, peace out.
Peace out.
Okay, fine. Peace out.
Peace out.